Are you ready to be amazed and terrified by the vast and mysterious expanse that is space? From the mind-boggling age of the universe to the looming threat of black holes, the secrets of space will leave you in awe and perhaps a little bit scared. Prepare to be taken on a journey through the unknown as we unveil 10 terrifying facts about the vast expanse that surrounds us. From the enormous size of the known universe to the chilling temperatures of outer space, these facts will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about our place in the cosmos. Buckle up and get ready for a journey beyond the stars as we dive into the terrifying truths of space. The first terrifying and hard to believe thing about the universe is its vastness. The universe is immense beyond human comprehension, and one of the most mind-boggling facts about it is that it is estimated to contain over 100 billion galaxies. Each galaxy, on average, is believed to contain around 100 billion stars. This means that the observable universe alone could potentially hold around 10^22 stars, a number so large that it's hard to fathom. To put it in perspective, if you were to count one star per second, it would take you over 3,000 years to count all the stars in just one galaxy. And we have only been able to observe a small fraction of the universe, meaning that the actual number of stars and galaxies could be much higher. The enormity of the universe is hard to grasp, and it's a reminder of how insignificant we are in the grand scheme of things. Discussing about the vastness of the universe, the question arises how old our universe is. The age of the universe is one of the most fundamental and fascinating questions in cosmology. Scientists have used various methods, such as studying the cosmic microwave background radiation and the observed large-scale structure of the universe, to estimate that the universe is around 13.8 billion years old. This means that the universe has been in existence for almost 14 billion years, a mind-blowing concept that is hard to fully grasp. The universe has not been static throughout this time. It has been expanding since the Big Bang, the event that marks the beginning of the universe. This expansion is still ongoing, and it is expected that it will continue for an unknown amount of time. The universe is not only old but also dynamic. It's a never-ending story of stars and galaxies forming and dying, and it's still expanding. This makes us question our place in the universe and the fate of it. Moving on to another terrifying aspect of space, we have black holes. These are regions of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. They are invisible and can only be detected by the effects of their gravity on nearby matter. The closest known black hole to Earth is around 1,600 light-years away and is known as V616 Monocerotis. It is located in the constellation Monoceros, and it's only around 6.6 times the mass of the Sun. Black holes are incredibly dense and incredibly massive. They are the result of collapsed stars, and they can continue to grow by absorbing nearby matter. The closer to a black hole you get, the stronger the gravitational pull becomes, and if you get too close, you will be pulled in and crushed. The idea of a massive, invisible object with such a powerful gravitational pull that it can suck an entire stars is truly terrifying. Moving on to the fourth most terrifying aspect of space, we have the enormity of its structure. The universe is not only vast in terms of its number of galaxies, but also in terms of its physical size. The largest known structure in the universe is a galaxy cluster called the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall, measuring approximately 10 billion light-years across. This means that this structure is 10 billion light-years long, and it's made up of thousands of galaxies. To put that in perspective, if we were to travel at the speed of light, it would take us 10 billion years to cross it. This structure is so large that it challenges our understanding of the universe. It's beyond our comprehension. The enormity of such structure shows that the universe is not only vast, but also complex and dynamic. It's constantly changing and evolving. The fifth point on our list is the coldness of vast space. When we think of space, we often imagine it as a vast, empty void. However, space is not empty. It is a vacuum, and it has a temperature. The average temperature in space is around -270.45 degrees Celsius, which is close to absolute zero, the lowest temperature possible. This means that space is incredibly cold, colder than any temperature found on Earth. The lack of atmosphere in space means that there is no insulation, and there is no protection from the cold. This temperature may seem hard to imagine, but it is a result of the universe's expansion. The universe is not at a thermodynamic equilibrium, and it is continuously cooling down. The cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang, has a temperature of around -270.4 degrees Celsius. This radiation is the reason why space has this temperature. The sixth point, our researchers found out the biggest asteroid named Ceres. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun, and they are found mostly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The largest known asteroid is Ceres, which has a diameter of around 940 kilometers. This means that Ceres is almost as large as the state of Texas, making it one of the largest objects in the asteroid belt. Ceres is also the closest dwarf planet to the Sun, and the only one located in the inner part of the solar system. Ceres is of great interest to scientists because it is believed to be a remnant of the early solar system, and it is thought to contain water and other volatile materials. Ceres is also unique because it's the only asteroid that has been visited by a spacecraft. NASA's Dawn mission visited Ceres between March 2015 and November 2018. The spacecraft was able to take detailed images of Ceres and collect data on its surface and composition. The seventh point on our list is about the strange behavior of Venus planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition. However, Venus has many differences from Earth. One of the most striking is its rotation. Venus is known to have the slowest rotation of any planet in the solar system, with a day lasting 116 Earth days and a year lasting 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. This slow rotation is due to the fact that Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets in the solar system. It rotates in a retrograde direction. This means that its day is longer than its year, and it is also the reason why Venus has the hottest surface temperatures in the solar system. The thick atmosphere of Venus traps heat, and the slow rotation means that there is no relief from the intense heat. When we think of planets, we often think of the ones in our solar system, such as Jupiter and Saturn. But there are also planets outside of our solar system, known as exoplanets. These exoplanets can be much larger than the planets in our solar system, and one of the largest known exoplanets is Ceres-4. Ceres-4 is located 750 light-years away in the constellation Hercules, and it's considered to be one of the largest exoplanets ever discovered. It is around 1.7 times the size of Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. Ceres-4 orbits a star that is similar to our Sun, and it completes one orbit in just under 3 days. The discovery of Ceres-4 and other large exoplanets has provided new insight into the formation and evolution of planets. It has also raised questions about the possibility of life on these large exoplanets, as their large size and proximity to their host star may make them hospitable to life. One of the most fascinating aspects of space is its vastness and the distance between celestial objects. The furthest known object from Earth is a galaxy called GNZ11, located approximately 13.4 billion light-years away from our planet. This means that the light we see from this galaxy today left it when the universe was only 400 million years old, just 3% of its current age. The discovery of GNZ11 has been a major breakthrough in our understanding of the early universe. It is one of the earliest and most distant galaxies ever observed, and it provides new insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies. GNZ11 is also one of the brightest and most massive known galaxies at that distance, and it is thought to be experiencing a period of intense star formation. The distance to GNZ11 is also a reminder of the vastness of the universe and how insignificant we are in comparison. The number 10 on our list is about the dark energy and dark matter. The universe is made up of a variety of different forms of matter and energy, including ordinary matter, dark matter, and dark energy. However, the composition of the universe is still not fully understood, and scientists have been trying to determine the proportion of each type of matter and energy present in the universe. Currently, the most widely accepted theory is that the universe is made up of about 68% dark energy, 27% dark matter, and 5% ordinary matter. Dark energy is a mysterious form of energy that is thought to be driving the acceleration of the expansion of the universe. Dark matter, on the other hand, is a form of matter that does not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making it invisible to telescopes, but it can be detected by its gravitational effects on visible matter. Thank you for watching this episode of Fascinating Facts About Space. We hope you have enjoyed learning about the universe and its many mysteries. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Remember, the universe is vast and complex, and there is still so much we don't know about it. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to check out our other episodes where we delve into other mysterious and intriguing subjects. We'll be bringing you more fascinating facts and intriguing information in the future, so stay tuned and keep exploring the universe with us. Thanks again for watching.